ASB Samoan. Awa paia mamalu le so. Awa e paia ole ona le aso.
Polyfest is a way where we can express and also find that sense of belonging.
I think it's helped us navigate our identity and that our foundation is from our culture as well as our family.
Fatala fatu le paia ma le mamalu wafia.
It's only right if we start big.
Right here at the Samoan stage, I feel my
It's a blessing to be part of Avondale College Samoan group.
It also makes us feel so proud to be able to represent Avondale College, knowing that we have this legacy here.
Avondale's come a long way with Polyfest. I believe that we've done 37 years. Most of them we've taken out how many years, but it's such a blessing for I think our generation now that Avondale's still going hard and sharing legacy. And as the theme is this year, Messina tu Fasolo, you know, giving out our treasures to the younger lot. So yeah.
Polyfest is one way where I could feel like myself. I could express myself, my culture, my identity. I could express how I feel through my my tu, my savali, as a Tamaitai Samoa. And yeah, I'm proud of my girls and yeah, feeling great. I remember the day when we got told that we're leaders for 2025. We just felt that we have a legacy to keep going. We knew we had high standards that and yeah, so we tried to push forward together as a team.
I was nervous about the fact that I would be dancing by myself, but now, even before our performance, I wasn't that nervous because the girls helped me realize that I'm actually not dancing by myself, because they'll be on stage with me, singing for me and cheering me on. My takeaway from being a part of Polyfest is to go for anything that comes your way, to join any opportunity that comes to you, and to just have fun with it.
My name is Eric. I'm representing St. Peter's and the Samoan group this year. It was all good. I got to lead all the Samoan boys in that, just helping them out whenever I can. That's brotherhood. The 50th anniversary helps me recognize what my culture has done for the world, Polyfest and that. So I'm just really happy to be Samoan and enjoy this event and all the food I get to eat.